How to turn off voice to text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down to find and tap on Keyboards. You can manage all your keyboard settings from this page, including features like autocorrection and predictive text. Again, scroll down to the bottom until you find Enable Dictation. Here, tap on the toggle to turn off the Enable Dictation option. Disabling the option makes the voice-to-text option successfully turned off. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off voice-to-text on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.